This lesson is about logarithmic functions. First, the definition. Definition of logarithm. For x bigger than 0 and b bigger than 0 and b not equal to 1, log base b of x is equal to y is equivalent to saying that b to power y is going to give you x. So b to power y is going to give you x. Again, b to power y gives you x. And so the functions that look like f of x equal to log base or contain this type of expression with a transformation or reflection or scaling are going to be logarithmic functions. Logarithm is used when values are large. One of the instances that we use logarithm is when values are large. An example that we can find easily is the Richter scale, where the intensity of an earthquake is being compared to a base shake, which base shake is not very strong, but then we want to figure out what is a start earthquake compared to, and intensity can be very, very large, and we just need to know how it compares, and we use logarithm to basically bring it down to the exponent. There are famous logs. One of them is log base 10. When you have log base 10 of x, then you don't write the 10 in here, you just use log of x. In the other one that is famous is log base e of x. If the base is the Euler number e, then log base e of x is going to be natural log of, it's called natural log of x, and it's shown with ln of x. Now let's do a few logarithmic calculation. Log base 3 of 27. Remember, whatever value I get in here, if I raise 3 to that power, it should equal to 27. So if I have 3 to power y, it should equal to 27. What value of y does that? 3 to power 3 is 27. So 3 is the answer. Now, here again, remember, 3 to whatever value of y I get here is going to give me 1/9. That is, if I write it down, 3 to power y is equal to 1/9. Let's see what 1/9 equal to. 1/9 is equal to 3 to power -2. So y has to be equal to -2. Now in here, I have 9 to power whatever y I get, it should be equal to 1/3. So 9 to power y equal to 1/3. Okay. So how does 1/3 compare to 9? First of all, 1/3 is 3 to power -1. But how does 3 compare to 9? And that would be 3 is 9 to power 1/2. So the answer to this one is -1/2. And then very famous logarithm for any value of base, log base, whatever base that is, of 1 is always going to be 0, because 9 to power 0 is equal to 1. The next thing that we want to cover in this section is how to graph some logarithm.